If you want to change, then you have to do the work. People often show up wanting me to fix them, hypnotize me and change this about me, take this stuff away, make me do this, make me not do that. And whilst there's many ways that I can help and support, if you want to make a big change to your life, big enough that you've come to see me in the first place, then it's going to be work involved. And I can't do that for you. I can help make the work as smooth as possible. I can guide you when you feel lost. I can help you to see connections between connected things that in the totality of your own mind seem isolated. I can help you to communicate with parts of your mind that you just can't reach. I can help you, but I can't do the work for you. That's for you to do. You have to do the work.